The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Southeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until noon Eastern Standard Time. At 11:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed dangerous tornado was located 7 miles east of Gastonia, or over Belmont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Uptown Charlotte, Central Charlotte, Hidden Valley, the Plaza and Northwest Charlotte around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Harrisburg, University City, Reedy Creek Park, Charlotte Motor Speedway and East Charlotte around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Downtown Concord, West Concord, Mount Pleasant and Midland around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Croft. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet at using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.